Saan
sa
galing
akin.
po yung perang 23 million?
May binenta po ako na galing po sa mother ko when she died, Mr. Chair.
Ano pong property yon, Madam GM?
Yung pong 5 sets na jewelry niya po na napundar niya for 15 years.
Yung asawa po ng first cousin mo na si Miss Emmy Ubales na asawa ni ano? Anong rango niya? Corporal na first cousin mo, si Corporal Jun Ubales is the secretariat head ng STL Core Group. STL Core Group.
Colonel Garma, malapit na ang karma nito at malapit nang malaman ng lahat kung saan nga nanggaling ang kanyang mga ari-arian dahil nga bigla na lang yumaman ito. At dito ay nadiscover nga ni Congressman Dan Fernandez na meron pala itong diniposito noong 2020 at 21 kung saan nagkakalaga ito ng 23 million pesos. At ang nakakabahala pa dito at nakakagulat no ang kanyang balang hipag ay siya palang sekretary ng STL. Marami kayo ngayon nagsisilabasan na mga balita na si Garma nga ang nagnanakaw ng pera ng PCSO at siya rin yung utak sa pagpatay sa ex-PCSO na si Barayoga. Kaya narito guys, panoorin natin ang video.
Yung kasi hindi ko natanong to kanina, I missed it no. Doon po sa PSS SLI, sa Public Safety Savings and Loan Association, meron po ba kayong 23 million na cash deposit doon noong 2020 and 2021?
Yes, Mr. Chair, may deposit po ako.
23 million na naka-deposit sa'yo doon?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Or more than that?
No, Mr. Chair, kasi meron na akong dati
So saan ang galing yung pera?
na dinedeposit ko na nakadeduct po.
Saan
sa
galing
akin.
po yung perang 23 million?
May binenta po ako na galing po sa mother ko when she died, Mr. Chair.
Ano pong property yon, Madam GM?
Yung pong 5 sets na jewelry niya po na napundar niya for 15 years.
Okay, kasama po ba sa salian to itong pinasok nyo rito?
No, Mr. Chair, kasi po gratuitous, it was only turned over to me nung later part na lang po.
Nakakagulat naman po, no? 2020 saka 2021 yung pinasok ng 23 million. At, 3 million ka po. Si Chairman Acop, 3 million lang daw yung kanyang Public Safety Savings and Loan Association. Kayo po, Colonel, 23 million. Hindi po kayo nagugulat sa pinasok niyong pera? Sige, Chairman.
Is that your capital contribution for Peace Life?
Mr. Chair, it was kasi later lang.
Hindi nga.
Yes po,
Sagutin
yes.
mo ako.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
May limit yung, wala bang limit yung capital contribution for Peace Life, just like AFS Life?
Can I explain, Mr. Chair?
Tinatanong nga kita eh.
Yes, Mr. Chair. During that time, parang inopen kasi. So, sabi ko, okay, ilipat ko na lang yung pera. Better, kasi tumutubo po.
Hindi ba, I do not know the members of Peace Life here. Ang pagbibigay ng capital contribution is for a member, 75,000 every 3 months. Pag hindi member, yung kamag-anak mo is mas maliit kaysa 75. Nagtataka ako, bakit ikaw umabot ng 23 million? Isang
Hindi po.
bigay yun?
Hindi po isang bigay, Mr. Chair.
And how many tranches did you contribute that to your capital contribution sa Peace Life?
I did it twice and
Twice?
paglipat din ng
That's,
other.
Mr. Chair, that's unbelievable.
Kaya nga medyo nagtataka lang ako.
Okay.
Dalawang bigay yung 23 million doon sa PSS LAI noong 2020 saka 2021. So, hindi ba to 23 million ng 2020 saka 23 million ng 2021? Are you sure?
Yes, hindi po ganun. Mr.
So,
Chair.
total na to nung 2020 at ang 2021.
Accumulate, yes po, total na po lahat.
Total tong 23 million. So we will be asking General Managuelod as well, the president of the PSS lie, no? Para makita po natin yung amount kung nagsasabi po kayo ng totoo. You remember nung August 18, 2024, when we started the investigation of the Davao Colony incident, wherein Superintendent Padilla was here, and nag-start na po yung mention about you and Commissioner Leonardo. Do you remember, meron ka bang bangko sa PS Bank sa Mandaluyong? Yes or no?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Did you withdraw 15 million during that time?
No, it's not 15 million, Mr. Chair.
Magna-withdraw mo?
I
20?
No, Mr. Chair, 10, Mr. Chair.
10 million
Yes.
ang withdraw mo? Okay. Where did you get that amount of 10 million?
Savings ko po yun.
Savings din also?
Yes po.
Ang dami mo naman savings sa GM Garma. Meron ka ng savings sa PPS Lai, may mga properties ka pa. At you remember your houses sa Cebu? You have 3 houses sa Cebu.
No, Mr. Chair.
Wala kang bahay doon? Wala kang bahay sa Central Visayas, sa Cebu City, sa Sitio Tupas? We will find out. Sa Cantipla, 1, Tabunan, Cebu City. Cantipla,
Was that the, Mr. Chair?
your house. Ilang beses ka nakita dito?
Nagpunta po ako, Mr. Chair. Pero
Correct. Cebu City, sa may Transcestal Highway, Cebu City.
Wala din po, Mr. Chair.
So yung sa Tabunan ay sa iyo na bahay.
Can I make an explanation, Mr.
Hindi,
Chair?
sabihin mo lang muna sa akin.
Opo.
Yes, bahay mo yun. Yan, no. How much did you buy for this property?
I did not buy it, Mr. Chair.
Kaninong bahay ito?
Actually, there was an old house. And during that time, when I was the city director, Mr. Chair,
Paano naging sa iyo kung hindi mo binili?
I will explain.
Sige, go ahead.
If you will allow me, Mr. Chair, I
Yes.
will just get my notes. Okay. During that time, Mr. Chair, nag-establish kami ng detachment kasi daanan po kasi yan ng mga mag-exit from Cebu City, ginagawang exit po yan going to the province. Yun po yung kasagsagan po na maraming mga incidents po ng mga patayan or something. So I want to secure the boundary para hindi makalabas. Madali pong i-confine yung lugar kung sakali. So nag-establish kami na detachment po doon. And nakita ko po, may area doon na inalaw naman kami to establish, and there's an old house.
Okay. So kinuha mo yung property yun?
Can I explain further, Mr. Yes.
What you're trying to tell us that naglagay kayo ng detachment just like in Hilltop na naglagay ka rin ng detachment na ginastos mo ng almost 1 million pero yung bahay mo nandun sa may taas. Is that correct, di ba? Ganun ang sitwasyon mo eh. Yung detachment nasa ibaba para mabantayan yung bahay sa itaas. Yun yung sa Hilltop. Yung dito sa Cebu,
Hilltop.
meron din kayong detachment and then meron din property.
I'm referring to only one area, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
It's not a
So isang
only
detachment lang to na pinag-uusapan natin.
Yes, Mr. Chair. And during that time po, marami po mga officers na nagpatayo din ng property nila, allowed to mention. Gumaya lang po ako, Mr. Chair.
O sige,
Ang
sino?
usapan lang naman dun is, bawal magputo ng puno, magtanim ka na magtanim, alagaan mo yung lugar.
So, sino yung mga sinasabi mo mga officers na
there's
meron din?
a 4-story house dun owned by General Medina. May bungalow po dun sina Sir Sinas, kina General Delvo, General Lee po, may container van, sina Sir Minong, Pem Solante, may house po ay cockpit arena po doon. Meron din pong foundation lang po na hindi natapos, owned by 2 generals and other police officers po.
Can you submit that copy of those personalities that you have mentioned?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
I want to see those personalities that you have mentioned to us. Okay. Si Chuck Barondog, meron ding bahay doon? Chuck. Colonel, meron ka rin bahay doon sa Hilltop? Thank you, ma'am.
Sir,
Meron ka rin bahay? Yes or no?
no, sir.
Wala kang bahay doon? Kay ni Ibon?
No, sir.
Sa Hilltop?
In Cantipla, sir, no, sir.
Speak louder.
Sir, no, negative, sir.
Wala kang bahay doon, ha?
Sir.
Grialdo, Hector. Asa si Hector Grialdo? Okay. For the meantime, did you issue GM kay sa Mandawi City ng STL operation kay Piona Trading and Supply Corporation owned by Ibon Barondog, Mandawi City? Inissue mo ba siya ng authority to operate? Yes or no?
Fiona po ang nanalo po sa
Yes.
bidding. Yes, Mr.
Oo,
Chair.
kay Ibon.
Nasa
kasi-
record naman po.
Oo, nasa record talaga. Na-issue mo. Na asawa ni Kenrel Barondog. Si Ibon Barondog na siya ang first nominee ng STL party list. At siya rin ang presidente ng STL Foundation na binigyan mo ng 2 milyon out of the PCSO fund para sa Mandaue City. Di ba?
On the record, Mr. Chair.
Okay, on the record. May I reiterate my request, Mr. Chairman, lastly, para po ipatawag si Igel Awakay, appointed as a permanent position na Technical B Assistant, appointed by Jen Garma doon po sa PCSO. Kasi siya po nag-aayos ng mga feasibility study ng STL na pinapasok ng grupo nila GM Garma. And as a matter of fact, Mr. Chairman, and I still believe that the operation of STL in the whole country is still being controlled by GM Garma with these people per people na appointed in the PCSO. For the meantime, Mr. Chairman, yun po muna and I yield back my time.
Sige, salamat Congressman Fernandez.
Mr. Chair, can I make
Sige, is
make
that
a
related sa
Yes,
sinabi
Mr.
ni
Chair.
Yes, sige.
Mr. Chair, there is a process po sa pag-ano po ng STL. From the start parang po ng processing, paghulog and everything, naka-video po lahat yan. Pag binuksan po din namin yung Dropbox, naka-video din po yan at may 3 susi na may hawak po Office of the Chair, the core group, na umuupo po sa core group, which is the
STL Core Group.
STL core group, which is the manager ng gaming po. And 3 susi po yan, Mr. Chair. Pag binubuksan din po yan at ini-evaluate, meron pong representative lahat ng Board of Directors. At ang ginagawa po yan, ini-scrutinize isa po yan. At po yan, at ang nag-preside po sa processing na yan po ay ang Assistant General Manager for Gaming. Hindi po ako umuupo dyan. I only come in kung nahihirapan sila, like may conflict, and I will just give guidance and I leave them immediately. Pagkatapos po ng evaluation, Mr. Chair, ay ini-endorse namin sa board yan kung sino yung mga pumasa at hindi pumasa. Usually yung pumasa lang. Nagkakaroon po ng resolution
Mr.
ang
Chairman,
core group.
point of order.
I'm just explaining,
Yeah,
Mr.
point
Chair.
of
And
What
then,
is, what is the point of order?
Are we discussing the guidelines in how to approve an STL franchise, or are we discussing EJK Pogo? I'm sorry, I'm a little
Thank
bit
you
lost,
for
Mr. Chairman.
Thank you for calling the attention of the chair, DS JJ Suarez.
Mr. Chair,
De,
konti
Mr.
na lang
Chairman,
po.
if I may, ako
maybe-
Sasabihin ko lang po na pinagbobotohan po namin yan kung sino
sige.
po yung mananalo. Wala po akong hold or say po dyan. I have only 1 vote, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
Sige,
for
thank
the
you,
information
thank you.
of everybody, for the information of GM Garma, yung asawa po ng first cousin mo na si Miss Emmy Ubales, na asawa ni anong rango niya? Corporal, na first cousin mo, si Corporal Jun Ubales, is the secretariat head ng STL core group during your time?
Mr. Chair, can I...
Wait. At si Igel Awakay, na job order lamang, no? And walang capacity to be appointed as technical assistant B, nilagay mo rin tao mo.
can
And that's the
I,
reason why you control the STL core group. Who decide who's going to win? Because, Mr. Chairman, nagsasubmit sila ng mga feasibility study. And all this feasibility study that was submitted to the STL core group, sila po ang mumahawak. First cousin niya, asawa ng first cousin niya, si Miss Emmy Ubales, PCSO. PCSO. I'll be asking first the
Yes.
PCSO before we recognize you. PCSO, can you kindly confirm yung position ni Emmy Ubales sa PCSO during the time of GM Garma? Can you kindly give
Mr.
us the
Chair.
position?
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Akop.
may I know who is supposed to be the spokesperson or the head of the contingent from PCSO to answer the questions? Kasi papalit-palit. Merong isang sumasagot doon, may sumasagot doon.
Who's the highest official of PCSO na present today?
I think AGM, si Assistant General Manager Gabuya. Andyan
Okay.
siya?
Ma'am,
Gabuyo.
She's on leave po.
She's on leave.
Yes po. Right now, andito po ang AGM Arnel Casas, AGM of Gaming, GPDMS.
sige, can we ask where are you, AGM? Can you please take
Yeah. And Mr. Chairman, this is very crucial for us to find out if still, no? Kasi, GM Garma, no? Your 23 million from PSS Lai, your 10 million from PS Bank, your different properties that was established in this Quadcom, and the dollars that are being exchanged for the Philippine money for dollars with Bilela. This confirms, where did you get all of this money? May tatanong pa nga ako sa iyo kung meron kang share sa Wakwak 80 million per share, meron ka ba? AGM, can you kindly confirm to us yung position ni
but before that, did you take your oath?